Hey guys, all right, so I was thinking, like, what do I want to do for my third layout for May 2021, not just for Boys Kit Club. So I went ahead and grabbed this handy dandy die cut pack, which is in the a la carte section at the store. I mean, it's so shiny. Okay, I grabbed that and I pulled up all kinds of pieces that can work with my photo. Will I use all of them? No, I just like to grab like my options. And let me move some of these goodies out of the way so I can explain a little bit better my master plan, which is kind of a master plan. It's a plan-ish. Actually, I'm going to sub this out because I only need a scrap of it. Okay. I might even be able to, okay, I'm going to stop talking. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use this gorgeous blue piece. It is from Amy Tangerine, Brave and Bold. And this one is called High Five. I'm going to have that for my background. Check. Then I was looking at this piece, and I find it to be very, very interesting. It's Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story, and it's called Taffy. And the funny thing is, when I first saw it, to me, it looked like a super messy rainbow. So I'm going to cut it out, and I'm just going to think of it as a messy rainbow. So I'll cut it out like nice and wonky. I'm kind of feeling a little stitching on it. So that'll be great. Then I think I'm going to map my photo in this. Now, let me show you my photo really quickly. Very important photo here. Here are the boys. They were just hanging out outside, loving life in the backyard. So there is Mason. There is Blue. Blue is, slightly behind Mason. Look at the rolls. He's so chonky. Okay, so I have that. So, and yes, there is a dog snoring behind me right over there. So I have that, and I thought it'd be fun to do the messy rainbow. And I'm kind of feeling a little bit like stitching on it. What color thread? Ooh, I have white thread in my machine right now, so that's perfect. I can do some messy stitching on it, which is going to add some nice texture. So, and I'm going to map my photo with the green, and then I have all kinds of other scraps. So I will bring them in, because I like to mat with scraps if at all possible. Awesome. You saw bunches. I mean, I have all kinds of really great die cuts that can work. And I'm just going to have them on standby after I do those things. I trimmed my photo already. There's so much good stuff in this kit. I don't even know. I'm super smitten with this pack of alphas. These were in the a la carte section in the store. These alphas are in the kit, so I can do like subtitle with those. That's super fun. Oh my gosh, there's so much fun stuff. I have stickers that I can use that are just gorgeous and engaging in all of these bright colors. I mean, look at the colors, look so good between Brave and Bold and Maggie Holmes. So I have lots of directions to go into. I just need to get my base of my layout on here, so I kind of know where to go more, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to start working on that, get a little bit more of my vibe down, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, quick check-in time. I want to show you what I came up with. So I sewed my taffy rainbow, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And on 2 of the times, I did it without thread. So I don't know, can you see the little bumpy bits? It's just fun, Okay, and I popped it here because the taffy rainbow had a straight edge on one side. So it determined where that was going. Then I went ahead and matted my photo with tons and tons of scraps. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. Then when I put it on here, I kind of felt like it needed like a lighter white layer or something. So that's awesome. So I popped this here. From there, I grabbed my Vicky Bouton alphas that I have from the a la carte section in the store. And I decided my title should be Sunday Funday. So at this point, the next thing I did was grabbed these little letters here, right here, and I have Mason and Blue, so we know who's who for this layout, and I don't know where they're going to go. So now I'm going to spend probably way too much time having fun figuring out where these die cuts go. But I wanted to give you a heads up where I am with this, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So, big old check-in time. Oh my goodness. So I have everything but this. That's going on because I get to do the sprinkly bits next. Let me show you where we are. All right, so this is a piece. Here's the other piece. It's just like a little journaling spot, and I kind of turned it into, I guess, like a file folder tab thing. This is a file folder tab thing. I'm going to have it stick out of my page protector because I want to. I thought it was cute. And then this is like a nice navy color. And there's navy in my funky little rainbow. So yeah, I have more to do that cluster. Not a big deal. I ended up using some tissue paper behind my 5 million photo mats because it needed a little bit of lightness. So that happened. This is just a die cut shoved on down. These are 2 tags that I tore the bottoms off of them. Let me see. Can I get it with my left hand? I am not left-handed, my friends. Yeah, just tore the bottoms off. I'll use those later. And used the world's biggest thing of twine I got on clearance for $1 from somewhere to just do a couple little swirly bits. Not a big deal. So that's on there. This is just a piece I've tucked in. It reads New Day. Tucked in a ticket piece over here. This is so pretty. This orchidy tone comes out a bit over here as well. So that works great. The Vicky Bouton stuff is working great with the Maggie Holmes stuff. Awesome. Now this is kind of a fun thing. I went ahead and cut out with a piece of scrap white paper a little heart and popped it behind there because I wanted the heart to show more, and it really popped, and then that allowed me to go ahead and put it up on a piece of dimensional adhesive. Great. I glued Funday right down here so you can see that the title comes together for Sunday Funday. And this piece right here that says around here is just one of the pieces that were on these little perforated little pieces right here. So that is that. Oh my goodness, what I've done so far. Now I'm going to do all kinds of decorative bits, which I know I'm going to have some of these in because it really looks like my twine. So I need to sprinkle them around. I want to put 3 of those in. I also have to feed my puppies. It's like 40 minutes past their dinner time, and they are going to be feeling some kind of way if I don't. Now I have stripes going that way on that. Maybe right there. I like them going that way. All right, I'm going to get those down with something really good and sticky. Now, oh, I know what I need to see. Where did I put them? Oh, my mixed media goodies. What do I want to use? Ooh, I want to use this and this. I'm going to bring those 2 in. I'm going to use Nuvo. Okay, I'm going to use those for splatty bits. So much metallic goodness. And then what else? Ooh, guys, look at how well this sequins mix goes with that taffy bit. All right, I'm going to do the sequins, then come in with splatty bits. I'll be right back when I do the splatty bits. Okay, so let's finish this up. I did go ahead. I have my little stripey faux buttons on there, giving myself a nice bit of shine. I grabbed the limey green sequins from this sequin mix right here, which is so pretty, as well as the little aqua and the deep pink from this one right here, which was for the National Scrapbooking Day ones. They have little scissors in them. They're so cute. Okay, so what I want to do, let me go ahead and grab some, sorry about that, enamel dot's gone wild. I want to go ahead and get some of the goodness from the bottom of this Nuvo. We're going to do a little bit of splatty bits coming on down. And oh, this color is called Fresh Pear. And the other one, I believe it's Nebula Blue. Nebula. Okay, I'm going to splatty bit and I will show you the finished project in 1 second.